The first generation Mustang is a popular foundation for a wide variety of project cars. With plenty of aftermarket support, it can truly be a triple threat with handling performance, straight line speed, and serious stopping power. Unless you're out of gas. Regardless if you're building a street strip car or an all-out track monster, a fuel system is extremely important to making horsepower. Now next to me is our shop guy, Dean, and we're here to talk about Aeromotive's new stealth drop-in fuel system for 64 to 68 Mustangs. With this fuel system, it can support up to 1,000 horsepower in carbureted applications. Now normally I talk for a little bit, Dean gets an installation, and I disappear. This installation is so easy, John, our camera guy, could do it. You're gonna need this. And you're gonna need this.
What do you think the first thing we should do is?
Take out the old one?
You're half a mechanic already.
Thanks.
You know, with the amount of power we're trying to make in our muscle cars these days, the stock fuel system just can't keep up. What we're talking about now is an Aeromotive stealth system that's designed to bolt straight in with the pump already installed.
Dude, Dean, I've edited like 100 of these videos, and there's always shots of you like welding something with like sparks flying all over the place. When do I get to do that stuff? All I'm doing is just turning this ratchet.
Sadly, you're probably not gonna get to do any of that cool stuff. It's 100% bolt-in kit. You drop it in the car, you're good to go.
Within this kit, you get a powder-coated or painted silver stock-appearing steel fuel tank that comes assembled with a correct level sending unit, a 340 liter per hour at 40 psi stealth fuel pump, and a pre-pump filter and billet aluminum hanger assembly. Plus, the stealth tanks from Aeromotive feature an innovative internal baffling system that prevent fuel slosh from uncovering the fuel inlet. You know, our Mustang project's pretty basic as is. It's the 289 with a carburetor and a cam upgrade, but we're getting ready to install a 428 cubic inch, 800 horsepower Windsor-based motor on nitrous, so its fuel system will be ready for it. When installing a new fuel system, you typically want to run new lines as well. Not only does that help reduce contamination in the fuel system, but the truth is, many older cars don't have big enough lines to support the horsepower you need.
So we got our lines down from under here, and now what are we doing?
Now we're gonna move to the top side of the engine.
Okay.
We're gonna be able to pull them off of the carburetor and then take the fuel pump off there and add our fuel pump block-off plate.
Okay, sweet, let's do it.
This stealth system is pretty flexible. I mean, you can use it on everything from a normal engine that comes in the vehicle all the way up to a high-pressure Coyote engine application, and even include pulse width modulated type of EFI systems that have a returnless style fuel system. Not only does Aeromotive offer this for 64 to 68 Mustangs like the one we have here, but they also offer drop-in stealth tanks for first-gen GM F bodies as well as 68 to 72 A bodies like the Chevelle and Tri-5 Chevys.
All right, Dean, we got our AN lines in, we got our wiring all done. What's the next step?
Well, we gotta go through and check for any possible leaks, then set our fuel pressure.
Okay, now this is carbureted. What are we gonna set the pressure at?
6 psi.
I was really surprised at how smoothly this install went. And I was a little bit nervous when it came time to do the electrical, any of the wiring kind of stuff, but having done it once, I feel like I could handle it again without a problem.
A fuel system is an important part of any vehicle build for making more horsepower or increasing reliability. Aeromotive made it really simple with their new stealth fuel system for first-gen Mustangs that makes a bolt-and-go solution without any of the hassle.